These fly screens are a great option if you don't have the money or don't have the need for permanent screens. It came with 2 rolls of Velcro, some tools, a cutter, and a tool to push the screen into the Velcro. You adhere the Velcro strips around the window first. They do need 2 hours to sit once you get that done. And then from there, you can cut the screen to the size that you need. The little plastic piece to be able to get the screen down into the grooves of the Velcro was awesome. Kind of hurt my fingers to push on it, so I actually used that when I was attaching the Velcro as well. I took a break and then came back and did the screen. This went in really easy. You can cut it to any size you need. I was dealing with smaller windows. As you can see, the screen piece is much larger. The cutter is really like an envelope opener, and it works out perfectly. These were really nice.
We have this fly screen today, and these windows in our playroom do not have any screens on them. So this is a really great option to be able to add something. So we can open the windows and get some fresh air. Today it's freezing rain, so we won't be opening the windows, but I love that we have a screen here to be able to keep bugs out, deter the cat from trying to go out the windows, and just kind of keeping some of the dust and stuff at bay as well. It's not going to protect anybody if they push on it. They will fall out the window, so it's not that type of thing, but definitely a great option. Lets you open some windows that you might not before. It is sizable, so I have a smaller window, but this netting comes in a couple different sizes, so you can get whatever you might need, and I hope you like it too. Thanks for watching.
I feel so keeping